Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can access form submissions via the Conversations tab, how to turn it on within the forms, and how it looks like once somebody submitted the form. This feature will help you to manage your leads much more effectively in a centralized tab, which is the Conversation tab. It will help you to gain better visibility into the context journey so you can act accordingly fast. Let me show you how that looks like. So let's navigate to sites on the left, forms at the top, select the builder and find your form in question. Select it and then click on settings at the top, scroll down, and here you see the option create conversation on submission. Turn this on and hit save top right corner. Now let's test it. Let's click integrate, share, copy the URL, open it in a new tab, enter your details into the form, hit submit. Then this is the upsell. So let's go back to the conversations. So click conversations on the left and here you can see my submission. Here you can see the new information card showing up for the form submitted. Now here we have two options. We can view the submission or view all form submissions. Let's go for view submission. And here you have all the activity details. The form submission details, the full name, email, phone number, the terms and conditions, they tick the box, otherwise I couldn't have submitted the form, contact ID, the time zone, the page details, and the event data. Let's X this out and let's go to view all form submissions. And this you can find as usual under sites on the left, forms at the top, and then click submissions. That's the same page right here. So let's go back to the Conversations tab. Also, if you click the drop-down menu here in the little conversation icon, you can swift through the form submissions. If you select form submissions here, only the form submissions will show up within the Conversations tab. That comes in very handy because maybe you have loads of different communications things going on, like WhatsApps, emails, SMS, replies, and whatnot, and it's really hard to find it. So if you just want to filter through, you click form submissions here, and you will only see the form submissions showing up. Similarly, here on the Filters tab, we can filter by form submission. Here we select last message channel is, and then form submission. Then hit apply. And here we go. You would see all the contacts that have submitted forms. This is not specifically for only this particular lead, but that would be for all the leads. So there would be more leads showing up here on the left that have then submitted the form. I hope you like this feature, which will help you to engage immediately with your audience as soon as a form is submitted. Remember, the business who replies the fastest to any lead will typically gain the business. For more information about this particular feature or any other feature, check out the Content Army YouTube playlist, as well as the help doc library linked in the show notes below and our blog. See you then.